Hello, everyone. On Sunday, the 14th of January, we're all going to be getting together, whether it's online or in the sanctuary. And I want to talk about something that I bet many of you are doing as we speak, the whole New Year's resolution. I know, I've been doing it. Here's the thing, a New Year's resolution often results in you feeling like you're not getting stuff done. You're not moving forward. Maybe you feel like you failed. Well, what a setup that could be. So we're going to spend a little bit of time talking about the spiritual elements of infinite possibilities and how you pull together your magic and what you want to manifest and how you see yourself and what you want to create. We're going to talk a little bit about tools. I got a little bit of research for you. And most of you know that I'm certified now in infinite possibilities, and I talk about it a lot. Well, so does Mike Dooley, the owner of Infinite Possibilities. And he actually had the audacity to claim that IPPs, which is the term for those that are certified in Infinite Possibilities, are a lot like the amazing people in Unity. It turns out that Unity's been around a lot longer. Let's talk about all of that and probably more. See you online or in person.